Have you ever wondered how we balance our school and personal life?
Because we do.
Yeah.
Alright, so this episode was a highly requested episode.
By one person.
By one person. That how we manage our school life and our, star life. We are like Hannah Montana. Like,
Oh my
Miley
God.
Cyrus at school and Hannah Montana.
Yes,
on the
definitely.
podcast.
Yes. You go, girl. I mean, no. I used to love Hannah Montana when I was a little kid. I had bed sheets. Like Hannah Montana bed sheets.
Oh my God, Charvi, amazing. You know what? I was so dumb. I was a super fan of Hannah Montana in like preschool and junior school. And I started watching Hannah Montana in middle school.
Oh my God. This girl, people, I don't even know.
I was such a big fan of Hannah Montana, guys. I had like stickers of her. And then I thought that Hannah Montana, like the blonde Hannah Montana, is Miley Cyrus's best friend.
You seriously?
And I didn't know who Miley Cyrus was. I was a super fan.
I mean, everybody is everybody's own best friend. So if you're lonely like me, you only have to rely on your own self. So it kind of makes sense that Miley Cyrus and Hannah Montana. Do you need to go to the doctor?
I can't fake cough properly.
He's like, Dhruvi is dumb. That's how you. Okay, so in today's episode, I'm gonna teach you all how to fake cough because Dhruvi just can't do it for some reason. That's what she said. Dhruvi is very weird right now.
Sorry. Yeah. So we were talking about Hannah Montana.
No, we were talking about how we balance it.
No, but Hannah Montana.
Okay.
People, I was such a big fan of Hannah Montana that I did not know that a TV show existed called Hannah Montana.
Guys, I'm snapping for
but I
her,
still had the stickers. And in junior school, I heard a rumor that Hannah Montana died.
You heard the rumor?
I was so sad. I was so sad.
Not little Dhruvi picturing herself at the funeral, reading an eulogy. Eulogy? How do you pronounce it? But you know what I mean, right?
Wait, I'll Google how to pronounce it.
G-Y. I don't even know how to spell it, y'all.
Yeah, wait.
Eulogy.
My volume was... my phone was on mute, wait.
Eulogy.
Okay,
it sounds like it's a... You know what? You're gonna have to edit this out, so I'm not gonna say it. I'm saving you in the pain. Yeah.
So, enough chit chat about Hannah Montana. We're going to talk about how we get the best of both worlds.
Song of the week, best of both worlds.
Oh yeah! Oh,
that was a bop.
That was so amazing. I always forget that we have a segment called Song of the Week.
She doesn't care about the podcast, and that is why I should get custody of TV Teens. By the way,
we are still talking about that.
We are. Oh my God! How can you just forget about something so major and something so impactful? Like our lives have been ruined because of that. And you're just
forget to do my homework and expect me to remember this.
Homework is another thing, Dhruvi.
So you are saying that homework is not as important as other things? Oh my God, all the teachers listening to this.
Hi, teachers. I'm still gonna get my work done and submit it before the due date.
Exactly. Charvi is like the goody two shoes person.
I mean, I kind of am. I'm not even gonna lie.
She is. She knows it.
I'm not
I mean,
that
how does she get her work done? She's online 24/7.
How am I online 24/7?
I mean, whenever I'm online, you are online. And I'm online 24/7. So you are also online 24/7.
Wow. It's called time management, Dhruvi.
Sure. I know you pay other people to do your homework. That is how we manage our school and work, guys. She pays everyone to do her homework.
Yeah, clearly.
Yeah. Yeah, so let's just jump right into the thingy we are beating around the bush.
After the intro, we just jump right into the content and we'll just forget that we talked about Hannah Montana. So yes, guys, welcome back to Tea with Teens. And how do we start? I was like, welcome back, people. Today we're gonna talk about Tea with Teens. Guys, I'm so disoriented right now. I had a cup of coffee.
Never mind. Charlie, rest. Shh, calm down. Shh.
You know what?
I don't know. I don't know how my shh is going to sound in the in the mic.
You know what you remind me of? You know when like babies have to pee and the parents are like, they make these weird sounds like.
No, Charlie, no one does that. No one does that, Charlie.
You better cut this out. You better cut this out. Who
does that, Charlie?
You better cut this out.
No, I'm not going to cut out. By the way, guys, I'm going to edit this episode.
I've cut out so many things on your. You want me to spill the beans right now?
I can cut it out. You can.
Dude, no.
Hi guys, editor Dhruvi here. So, I told Charvi I would edit it out, but I mean, it is pretty funny, right? So, for our listeners, I decided not to cut it out. You're welcome. And Charvi, if you're listening to this, please don't kill me. Okay, bye-bye. So, you must be expecting that we come up with this like schedule and like not flow charts, like timetables and everything, but
yeah, flowcharts are the key to success, y'all. Flowcharts are the key to success. Oh my god, we cannot stop laughing. Oh my god, she's about to like. I wish y'all could see her right now. She's like, okay, I think we have her back. What was that?
I might have to edit this out. Yeah, so you might be expecting for us to show up with like timetables and not flowcharts. But guys, we tried to make a timetable and we failed miserably. We had decided that we will record episodes on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and we will edit it on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday. No wonder we don't have a timetable anymore. This girl can't stop laughing.
Alright, yeah, sorry. So.
Yeah, but then clearly that didn't work out because. Okay, so here's
today is Wednesday. We are filming an episode on Wednesday, Charlie.
Yeah, we usually film on Wednesday only.
We usually film on a Friday or a Saturday.
No,
and then I have to stay up all night.
That was one time because your dumbass got it deleted the whole episode.
Okay, story time. So. Guys, if you remember our episode 8, because I don't, I was in charge of editing it. So Charvi and I like alternate. So like she edits one, then I edit. No, episode 8.
Wasn't it the one with Arnab?
Oh yeah, it was episode 6. Not it, sorry. 8 was the recent one I edited now, so 8 is in my mind. Okay, never mind. So, in episode 6, our first guest collab, by the way. Arnav, if you are listening to this, hello.
Hi.
Okay. Yeah. So, I was saying, what was I saying? Yeah. It was Saturday. It was technically Sunday because it was after 12. I had just finished with my editing. It was like 2 a.m. No, it was like 1:15-ish. And then I had forgotten to save the final thingy audio and it got deleted.
I wasn't
And I
even
couldn't-
surprised.
I tried to find it for like 45 minutes, but I could not. So then I started editing it from scratch. And Charvi just left the room and she has abandoned me over here. And yeah, I can see her a little. Okay, she's running back. Hello, Charvi. Okay, yeah. So continuing with my story. I edited it and we had to upload the episode on Sunday, which was like that day. And I had to go out for like the entire day. So I was like, oh my God, what am I going to do? I stayed up all night. I edited the episode and by 6 a.m. I was done and then I went to sleep. But my mom woke me up at 9 a.m. saying that I sleep a lot and I couldn't tell her that I had edited the episode and I had to edit it again or else I would get a big fat scolding. So I just
And mind you,
on 2 hours of sleep.
From the next day,
3 hours of sleep.
Yeah, from the next day we had our UTs as well.
Yeah, UTs are our... I just said RR. UTs are OWR. UTs are our
like if you want, before I came to India, I said hour only. Hour.
UTs are our sorry
Guys, UTs are these exams that we have almost every month. They're 20 marks each and Dhruvi is having a difficulty in saying R because her brain is non-existent. So now moving on.
True that.
Oh my God.
Like, you know, today in sociology class I was facing difficulty in saying
solidarity.
Yeah,
that word, that big ass word, solidarity. Now
yeah.
So we but now, as of now, we record one episode in a week and edit one episode, like the same episode before Sunday. And you know, we're thriving, we're doing great because now we're in 11th grade. So this is the year that you have to do the most, like as much as you can in terms of extracurriculars. So we are busy with extracurriculars. We have to study because almost every 3-4 weeks we have a new exam, like UT, for example, that we're talking of. Like from Monday itself, like when you guys are listening to this episode, from the next day, our UTs are starting for a week.
And we are recording a podcast episode.
Bruh.
And
like, for
Charvi is
example,
still going to top.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe. I mean, but no, Dhruvi and I are pretty like level this year.
Because of, I can't name that person. I did not get full marks in that subject.
Because of a gram.
It was not a grammatical error. Okay, guys, I'll explain it to you.
The question was... It's going to be very specific and it's going to be pretty clear.
Oh, yeah, sorry. Yeah. It was not a grammatical error, guys.
Basically, she switched some words and it meant the same thing in English, but that teacher wanted...
But not in that subject, and that subject was not English.
Yeah. So... yeah, and Dhruvi is looking like a mad person right now, and she's...
I always look like a bad person, Charvi.
Yeah, but you're looking extra crazy right now.
Thank you.
And also, whenever we have our exam week, like the week before, we prefer to record 2 episodes so that we have one for that week and one for our exam week. Because if our exams are ending on a Friday, we can't just record it on a Friday and edit it on a Saturday. I mean, we could do that, but why would we want to do that? So
we have to study because we usually have political science and English literature on the same day. And those are like the toughest, like political science, English literature, and economics. Those are the 3 subjects I really have to study for.
I'm like really scared for English.
Same.
And I don't know why ma'am is repeating this, like the scene that we've already completed, scene 1 again.
The course is very lengthy.
Yeah, like can't she just start from scene 2 part 2 itself? Like, oh my god, so we have to do scene 1, scene 2 part 1 to 3, and the short story and the poem.
And political science.
And pol science.
And in English, look, I'll tell you what we have to do in English, guys. So we are studying The Tempest, okay, by William Shakespeare. In case you haven't heard of the playwright, just Google it because he's pretty famous. So in case you haven't heard of him, I think you are the dumb one. But okay, yeah. Continuing with what we were saying. Yeah, so we're studying The Tempest, and we were already given Act 1, Scene 1, and like some part of Scene 2.
The first part of Scene 2.
Yeah, the Scene 2 is divided into 3 parts. So the first part of Scene 2 and the entire Scene 1 was given in our first duty. But in our second duty, we have... Okay, so Scene 2 is like the lengthiest scene. Like, imagine a scene is being divided into 3 parts. That big of a scene it is, okay?
Yeah.
So, we have been given the entire Act 1, right? That is entire Act 1, no?
Yeah.
So, we have the entire Act 1, which is Scene 1 and Scene 2, all the 3 parts. A short story, a poem. So we have to read those materials. We have to go through the notes which we have written on that. And we also have to go through the stuff which our teacher has posted on Google Classroom. And we have to study for political science.
Great.
In one weekend. Yay.
But dude, I don't think I'm gonna like focus on Scene 1 that much. I mean, Scene 1 and Scene 2 first part, because I don't think why would ma'am repeat the same content for a 20-mark paper, which is like what, mind maps and flow charts, and
I think she will have like 10 marks for The Tempest, 5 marks for Salvatore, which is our short story, and 5 marks for what is the poem's name? The Gift of India.
Mm-hmm. I'm like really
maybe. Same. So, English teacher, if you are listening to this, please reduce our course. Yeah. So we are talking about how we manage stuff. We are not over here to crib about stuff. That's what we do in sociology.
Yeah. Yes. Sociology teacher, if you're listening to this, we love you.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I'm like shooting air guns, but like finger guns, but you can't see me, so it doesn't make sense. And on the podcast, it is just an awkward silence. So, yeah.
You know,
I think I ate too many chips.
You did?
Yeah, that's so random. But I feel guilty for having so many chips. Yeah, continue.
I'm saying the most used term on the podcast is soya.
Soya. Jinx. So yeah, oh my god.
Okay, so
if we ever have merch, it will be called soya.
Yes, not soya bean people. We're talking about yeah.
Oh my god! This was on you. This Chavri made this joke, not me. You heard it, guys. I'm not the only person who makes random jokes. Soya bean.
Soya bean. Mr. Bean. Okay, I'm gonna like get sucked in this rabbit hole. So
rabbit hole.
Talk about
the rabbits we had at school.
Oh yeah, okay. The rabbits. Gogu.
Okay, so its name, sorry, I apologize for that. Its name was not Gogu.
You misled us into thinking. What was his name? Dhruvi, tell me. You just, so you just went off and named him
I'll tell you
Gogu.
what. And
Then
so, guys, Charvi is coughing for real now.
yeah.
And she's on mute, so yeah. No, see, okay, storyline. So, my tongue is getting tied today.
That's
Story
not the
time.
only thing getting tired. Okay.
So, I was saying, okay, story time, guys. So,
How many story times are we getting to? You know what? We should name this episode Story Time. Because, like,
I
we're
was
not
going to
even
say let's name
talking
it
about-
Gogu or Soya.
No! Soya.
Soya. Okay. Okay. So, story time. Yeah, Soya. Charvi, don't interrupt me. Okay, I'm the host. I can actually mute you.
No!
I won't.
Yay.
So yeah, story time. Charvi and I and some other people from our school have been selected for this competition. I won't get into the deets, as in details of
No
the
one
competition.
wants to know the details.
but-
Even
yeah,
I'm in the
but-
competition and I don't want to hear about it.
I'm getting so tired explaining it to everyone. So I'm like, just this competition, never mind.
Yeah, same.
So we are required to film a drama. It's like one of the events of the competition. And to make our drama more appealing, we had living animals, like 3 rabbits were
Dhruvi,
part.
a horse.
Yeah, there was
rabbit.
Dhruvi, a horse, and 3 rabbits. Now, the rabbits belong to one of the staff members. We did not know the names of the rabbits. Now, I overheard
Dhruvi.
that staff member talking to some other staff member, and that staff member used the word Gogu. So I thought that one of the rabbits was named Gogu.
Since
Or
day
maybe
one,
I heard it as Gogu and you said something else.
I'm pretty sure you said something else and you heard it as Gogu. So since day one, Dhruvi has been telling everyone that the rabbit was named Gogu. And I've been telling I'm like, mom and dad, there was this rabbit and his name is Gogu. And they're like, Gogu? And I'm like, yeah, Gogu. Dhruvi told me so. Which should be suspicious in itself because Dhruvi said it was Gogu. And then now she's like, the poor rabbit does not have a name. But I decided to give it one. Gogu.
Because I asked the staff member what are their names. And then they're like, we haven't given them names. And I'm like, oh, cool. And I just told everyone that the rabbit's name is
Gogu. Gogu. Gogu the rabbit, y'all.
We didn't know which
Gogu.
rabbit though.
Yeah, we just knew
I
that.
assumed it was the smallest one.
Of course, Dhruvi does a lot of assuming. She assumes that names are just Gogu. If you don't have a name, there's a term called Jane Doe that people use for an unidentified body or person. It's Jane Doe. So now, instead of Jane Doe as the universal
Jane Doe.
term, we're going to use the name Gogu. Oh, hello. You see that stranger walking across the street? I wonder what his name is. Gogu. Look at that baby crying. I wonder what her name is. Gogu.
I thought a friend of mine, she has like this teddy bear. And then she said that she doesn't have a name for the teddy yet. So I just named the teddy Golu.
Oh,
Now everyone calls the teddy. I was going to say Ted. Like,
Ted
short for
Mosby?
Teddy. No, short for Teddy. So Ted is short
highly
for Teddy.
creative name. Highly creative. Like,
It was
God.
just so impromptu. I didn't know they were going to accept the name. It was like first come, first serve.
That's
They
it.
didn't even change the name, so now the Ted's name is Golu.
Wow. Hi, friend, if you're listening to this.
Yeah. Hey, friend, the same friend. The same friend who has Golu. I asked you which type of calculator we have to use for economics. You still haven't told me. And by the
Oh
time
my
this
God.
episode ends, and if you have already told me which calculator we have to use, then just ignore
Just
this.
ignore this.
Yeah. So yeah. Okay, we were talking about how we manage our Chavi,
Yeah.
time. I got a little stuck. How we manage our time. Now, I don't have a routine as such, but Charvi over here, she's a very organized person.
Okay.
I'll just quote her. I have to plan every single minute of my life.
Second, I said. But okay.
I have to plan every second of my life.
No,
oh my
but
god, it's
guys,
like Charvi's over here.
we
I
exist.
sounded just like you.
We.
Yeah, I'm not
Oh
saying
my
that
God,
you
I
don't
don't
exist
sound
because you
like that.
exist. You do.
No.
Guys,
I
if
have to
my
plan
Charvi
every single
if my Charvi impression was spot on, comment 2 key emojis, because Charvi, key is called Chavi in
Gujarati.
Gujarati. And Chavi,
Mm.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
just comment 2
One.
key emojis.
Sure. Yeah. I'm pretty sure. Where are they gonna comment, Dhruvi, if we don't have a freaking YouTube channel
We have an Instagram page.
where we don't post anything because you didn't delete the reels. You logged out of the account.
It's called t.with.teens. Please
Yeah.
go follow it. If you don't, Charvi will come in your
If you don't-
nightmares.
No, it's not. If you don't want to follow it, don't follow it. If you want to follow it, follow it. If you hate us, hate us. If you love us, love us. I'm pretty sure everybody hates us. I mean, I think we're so insignificant that people don't even love or hate us. We're just like there.
I know, right?
Yes, coming back to having an organized timetable. I don't know why I was exaggerating on those words, but okay. So I am that type of person who has to have every single thing planned. Like, we exist. Like, if something, someone's like, do you want to go get a cup of coffee? No one does that. Do you want to hang out today? And I'm like, what time? I'm like, oh, sorry, I have to like mentally prepare myself to meet that person, because like
I'm not like that.
I cannot do spontaneous stuff. Like, I cannot. If I want to be spontaneous, I'll have to plan to be spontaneous. Okay, on Wednesday, we are spontaneous. Yes, let's get over that weird fact, but I am, and it is what it is. Dhruvi's favorite.
We should have a video podcast because my reactions are priceless. More like worthless. Charvi is, I don't know if she's fake coughing or real coughing.
No, I was real coughing.
Oh.
Yeah. So, my timetable is like we have school till 2 p.m. but now it's changed. So it's just messed up my whole timetable and I don't like it. So basically I study from 3 to 6 every day. And then if we have a podcast to record, we'd record it from like 6 to 7:30 or something like that, or 6 to 7, or I do editing, or I do homework or something like that, or I'll do my chores in that time frame. Like, it's really random from 6 to 8:30. From 8:30 I have my dinner.
And I thought you had to plan everything.
I do plan during the day what I'm supposed to do later on. Please. So
Sure.
and then from 9 I watch again like YouTube or Netflix from 9 to 9:30, and then we have these Zoom meetings with our friends, that we have almost every day. So that's from like 9:30 to 10:30.
So like whenever
11.
you, it's like when no charity is at 10:30,
For me,
11.
for me.
Yeah, it's usually from like, it doesn't have a time, just at night, whenever, how much ever you want to talk.
Yeah. And then 11 to 6, I again watch YouTube or something. I just need that time.
11 to 6.
Sorry, 11 to 12.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I sleep and wake up and do that shit again. But for exams, it's all weird. Like,
It depends on the subject
usually,
for me.
yeah, it does. But like people finish their studying for the exam so quickly, and I'm like, I wish I were you, because I literally take the whole day
Same.
study. Because some people are like, they just need like a few hours. I need the whole freaking day to prepare properly for the next day.
Same.
And people like they finish one reading within a few hours and then they revise. I don't get time to revise. It's just one time I properly do it, and then the next day morning I usually wake up early.
No,
I don't
I
revise.
get time to revise.
Because the way I study, it's like, okay, so people call this rote learning or ratta marna in Hindi, but I wouldn't call it ratta marna or like rote learning, because I am understanding the concept. The only reason that I learn the words is because it like helps me in sentence formation and using the proper keywords.
Smart.
That's why
I can't cram stuff, that's why learning definitions is very tough for me.
Oh, and like
Yeah.
definitions have to be word for word, so that's why it's like
Exactly.
another
That's
headache.
why.
No, but I like in humanities, it's not like that, except for psychology. Like in sociology and pol science, you can literally write anything for a definition. But in sciences, you need to be very precise.
Yeah. In political science also, you have to have the key terms. Like, you can't write each in place of every.
Okay.
All those people who got the reference.
You're amazing.
Okay, I'm just showing stuff to the camera, but I can't. I can, but you won't get it because like it's an audio podcast.
Yeah. What about you, Dhruvi? What's your daily
So it
routine?
differs actually. So 70% of my week I am super unproductive. Then in that 30% I get this productivity burst. Like I'll just get super productive. I'll study and get my things done. But then after I'm done, I'll reward myself. Like I'll just give you an example. I studied a lot for my UT1. Okay. And then after it got over, I thought, okay, I should reward myself with a break of like 1 or 2 days. That break still hasn't ended. Well, it ended like last week. Not last week, like last week or something like that. Yeah.
Cool. I don't like that I'm saying cool. I do not like this word.
Yeah, Charvi has become Dhruvi 2.0, and that is not possible because there is only one Dhruvi.
Okay, please,
in the world.
please. Enough of that crap, please.
I love how I'm not mentioning, but like kind of quoting, kind of like very little quoting. I was going to say Harvey Styles. It's not Harvey Stinson. What is it? It's Harvey Specter. I just started watching the Suits. I'm on season 2. So yeah. Like Harvey says that like there's only one Harvey in the world. Like there is nobody like him. Like there's only one Dhruvi in the world. There is nobody like her. Not.
I can find a substitute and like just give me an hour.
But that person won't be Dhruvi Vaishnav. That's right, it's Vaishnav, not Vaishnav.
What if Vaishnav? It's like, there's this influencer called Archit Meher. He is Indian, but the way he says vada pav, it's like vada pav. And like his friends make a lot of fun of him. Like he says,
he's like vada pav.
Bhaiya, can I have vada pav instead of vada pav?
Yeah. He goes literally with the spelling.
Yeah. You know, I could not pronounce Lengi. I still can't pronounce Lengi.
She can't pronounce Lengi.
Lengi.
Yes. She says Lengi. Now what is Lengi? Lengi is like the fancy counterpart of Lengi. It's like, what are you wearing? Lengi. It's like, oh, don't touch me, you Lengi. Then it's like, oh, what are you wearing? Lengi. Oh my god.
That is not like, dude, Lengi.
Now you're saying it properly.
Lengi.
Otherwise, you were like, Lengi. What is Lengi?
I don't.
What is Lengi? We should name the episode, What is Lengi?
Don't want. People are not gonna listen to an episode that
If we have creative, like, what do we say?
Juices?
Titles, yeah, oh my god. If we have creative titles,
So, on
people
today's
want to listen
episode,
to it.
we are marketing the creative juice. Apple. Give me a name. Quickly. Apple.
Cider vinegar.
Apple cider. What the hell? That's not even a juice. That is why our brand of, we have a brand.
Soya. Our brand is Soya.
Juices. Yeah, our creative brand called Soya is not working out because we have juices called apple cider vinegar.
Okay, our brand is Soya, where we have soya milk based beverages because soya milk. It's not soya milk, it's soy milk, no?
Yeah.
I said soya milk because but it's soy milk, guys,
Soya.
not soya milk. Soy milk.
So yeah. Oh my god.
What's the time? It's 6:35. We started recording at
6.
Didn't I invite you at 7:43? How come it is 6:35?
5:43. Dude, are you like high on some shit? On
No,
my
I'm
beauty?
tall. I'm not high.
Yes, you're high.
Cherry,
on my beauty. Thank you very much.
Cherry. I'm
Yeah.
tall. I'm not high. Get your grammar correct or you will get your marks cut in exam.
Dhruvi is not holding back today. Dhruvi usually doesn't like conflict, but what she's saying today, I am so proud of her. Like
All the
so
people
proud.
who know this thingy, why I got my mark cut in dash subject, should be able to relate with this clearly.
Yep. And we have that same exam coming up in a few days, and I'm so scared.
Same.
I'm looking
Because
at my
it's like
English
Charvi's
textbook.
discussing stuff with ma'am, and she's like, "Oh, is it this like this?" And I'm like, "Oh, we have done this part." Bro, I never pay attention in that class.
Even I don't. It's because later on, 3 to 6.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So, ugh.
Now
What
see,
is
the thing
stopping
is, I
that?
cannot study after school. Like I'm so drained out. Like nothing. I can do homework and projects and all,
Yeah.
but I cannot study.
I'm the
So-
most productive in the afternoon because once it's like I have to get my work done and then only I can allow myself to relax. Because once I start, doing random stuff that is not related to school, then I won't feel like forcing myself to study. Like it won't be enjoyable and won't be productive. So that's why I just finish the schoolwork during the afternoon.
Yeah, so that's the thing. I'm like, so I think that okay, while school is going on, I'm perfectly fine. I have proper energy. But the moment I log out, like I leave the very last meeting, I'm all drained. How is that possible? Like a second ago, I was just normal, I was fine. So then I thought that, maybe I can study at night. But nope. At night, I want to sleep. So then I don't study at all. Eliminate stuff in your life which brings toxicity.
Oh,
I don't study.
Wow. Okay. Cool.
Yeah.
Oh, why am I saying cool? Okay, let's
Charvi has
just move
become
past
Dhruvi.
that. No, let's just move past that horrible.
Okay, can we just take some time to appreciate Charvi's chair?
They can't see.
I love her chair so much. It has like full back support, like even her head gets support. And in my
Yeah.
chair, not even my entire back gets support. I mean, look.
If you guys don't know what my chair looks like, you should probably head on over to our account tuteens.wits.teens, and we have a post in that with our first guest collab. And I think you can visibly see the chair.
I thought you were going to say just Google Jessica Pearson from Suits chair.
But that's not the same. Yeah, see, you guys
It's
can
similar.
see my chair in that. So should probably go.
And I like love Charvi's desk because one, it is white. I love white desks. Two,
It's not
there is
white.
a window.
It's light green.
What? I thought it was white.
No, are you dumb? You've been to my house like a million times. Dude,
What?
I'm sending you. Wait, no, I'm not even sending you a
All
picture.
the time I thought it was white.
It's not white. Can you see?
My entire life is a lie. I thought her desk was white. Okay, but
I'll
still,
send you a
Charvi's desk is
picture.
a dream desk because her desk is of a light color, and I always wanted to have like light background, a light background while I'm studying. Because like mine is like wood, it's like dark brown, so it's like too dark, you know.
But
And
here's the
also,
catch. I don't sit on the desk.
Yeah, she
while
sits on the
studying.
bed and
I sit on the
studies.
bed. I lay down. I keep on like moving, and I literally cannot sit on the desk. It feels weird, and I don't feel motivated. So I just sit on my bed over there and study.
continuing with how Charvi's workspace is amazing. She has a window on
Yeah.
the wall adjacent to her like desk. So it's like you can look what the neighbors are doing. Look at what the neighbors are doing. In my case, you have a wall, a white wall, and I have like taped my timetable to it, which I have to change. This is the third time in the year that I have to change my timetable. The first one which we got, the second one, this one, and the third one I have to make again.
I love how Dhruvi said she has a window to look at what the neighbors are doing, and she just assumes that I am a snoopy person and I
Because you
enjoy.
are.
I don't do that. The neighbors have their curtains closed, and I appreciate it because I don't want them to be staring at me while I'm staring back at them. Like that's just weird. That's not the eye contact
You can
I
do
want.
that. You can do the Taylor Swift "You belong with me" thing. You know, like they have like these notepads and then they like communicate.
Yeah,
like that.
yeah. No,
You can do
I
that.
mean, if there was a cute guy, sure, but there is no cute guy. What about cute? There's like no guy only. Like,
Oh.
yeah.
All our buffaloes, no guys.
Oh my god. But they're like, there's a dead plant. Oh, and I remember in the initial English classes of the year, ma'am was like, you look out of your window and describe what you see right now.
Yeah.
And I wrote I wrote about this dead ass plant and how it gave me joy, and I wrote some deep shit about that plant. I don't even know.
Yeah, we wanted to impress ma'am, huh? Actually, everybody wanted to because it was like the first week. Back to Charvi's workspace. Now, her chair, it gives proper support to her back. So it's like she doesn't have those back problems like I have usually because her chair, it like rolls in the into the desk, as in it's like you can
Yeah.
have very little space between you and the desk. That is not the same in my case because I have this leg rest thingy which prevents my chair from going in further. So if I want to write, I have to bend down like a little, and so I don't have to bend down. I have to sit a little, on the edge of the chair, kind of, not completely on the edge, but like my back doesn't get support. And then I end up with back problems. And then my mom is saying that I spend too much time on my phone. But then but when I explain the problem to her, she says no.
Because like Indian parents are like, oh, your hand hurts. That's because you use your phone a lot. I was really explaining this to my parents, and I'm like, I don't know what I was like having a backache or something, and I'm like, you know what's funny? Thank God you didn't say that you're using your phone a lot, because there's like this funny like joke kind of thing, that you know how Indian parents are always like, if their children are having
Yeah.
some physical like pain or something like that, it's because of their phone. And I'm like, and they're like, no, yeah, we think that you have a backache because of your phone. And I'm like, are you kidding me? I just explained a joke to you right now, and you're telling me to my face, no, it's because of your phone. And I'm like, excuse me? And then another thing I said, there's another thing. It's like Indian parents always think that the solution to every problem is haldi, that is
Taking
turmeric
away
powder.
the phone.
Turmeric powder, haldi.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
So-
Yeah.
So I'm like, and then like, yeah, we completely agree. And I'm like, dude, what?
That Indian parents also have this thing that if something happens to the phone, the child did it, and if something happens to the child, the phone did it. I mean, bro, it's kind of true, but like, bro, don't expose us.
Exactly.
Hmm.
So should we wrap up this episode?
Yeah,
Please
okay.
cut the
Bye bye,
last
guys.
part
We're done
out.
for this episode. Yeah, so, oh my god. Oh,
So,
instead
yeah.
of so, yeah, I said yeah, so. Yeah, so I think we are done with today's episode.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's 6:47, which means we have recorded for. We have been
47.
in the Zoom meeting for like an hour, more than an hour and 4 minutes.
More than
Because
an
I
hour,
had to count
an
it
hour
on my
15 minutes,
finger.
an hour 20 minutes, an hour and 4 minutes, y'all.
So guys, we should stop wasting my
This is not
time.
wasting time. And
We
what
should
about my
stop
time?
using my time, Charvi. So guys, Charvi just blabbed some stuff which I had to edit out because of, you know, podcast co-host confidentiality.
Love that for us.
Yeah. So yeah, that is it for
Bean.
today's
Soya
episode.
bean. If you guys want
Yup.
us to put out merch called Soya, let us know. We'll do that because
We'll
we
be the only
have
buyers.
nothing to do. I mean, we do because you just heard our timetables. Dhruvi has nothing to do. I, on the other hand, have to plan to be spontaneous.